Hi everybody, Greg Agee here from Pixology Arts with another Photoshop tip. Today I'll be showing you how to create Instagram filters in Photoshop. Now, Instagram has a lot of filters to choose from, but one of my favorite effects and techniques is the vignette. Now, vignettes are the old school photography look where there are darkened or underexposed areas around the border of a photo. And the vignette is also an extremely useful tool for focusing the viewer's eye towards the center of the photo. Now, the first thing we want to do is create a new layer on top of our background layer. So we'll go down to the bottom here and click on the Create New Layer button. We then want to make sure the foreground color is set to black. Now we're going to fill this top layer with black by going to the Edit menu and selecting Fill. A dialog box will show up asking you to fill with the foreground color, and since we already had it set to black, click OK. Now we want to grab the rectangular marquee tool and create a selection on the inside of the black layer. We're going to start on the inside top left and drag down to the bottom right, creating a border that has a fairly equal width all the way around it, and it doesn't have to be perfect. Now go up to the Select menu, down to Modify, and then to Feather. And when the Feather dialog box comes up, type in a radius of 200 pixels and then click OK. Now make sure you're on the layer filled with black. Go ahead and hit Backspace or Delete. Now this will delete the middle section of the black layer, leaving the outside of the selection behind. Now we still need to get rid of the selection that's still showing, so we'll go up to the Select menu and choose Deselect. You now have a vignette just like in Instagram. This has been Greg Agee from Pixology Arts with another Photoshop tip on how to create Instagram filters in Photoshop. Thanks for watching.